Arrow Video has released the cult classic Brain Damage in this special limited edition set that is only available in the UK and the US, 1,500 units in the UK, 1,500 units in the US, and that is what we're going to be having a look at today. First, this set includes the limited edition O-Card slipcase. It includes brand new audio commentary by writer-director Frank Henenlotter, the brand new documentary Listen to the Light, The Making of Brain Damage, the effects of Brain Damage. FX artist and creator looks back at his iconic effects work on the film, Animating Elmer, a featurette looking back at the contributions of the visual effects supervisor, Karen Ogle, a look back, stills photographer, script supervisor, and assistant editor Karen Ogle recalls her fond memories of working on Brain Damage, Elmer's Turf, the New York City locations of Brain Damage, a featurette revisiting the film's original shooting locations, Tasty Memories, a Brain Damage obsession, an interview with superfan Adam Skinner, Brain Damage Q&A with Frank Henenlotter, Image Galleries, the original theatrical trailer, Bygone Behemoth, an animated short featuring a brief appearance by John Zackerly in his final on-screen credit, and a collector's booklet featuring new writings on the film. The runtime is 86 minutes, is presented in the aspect ratio of 1.85 to 1. The audio is presented in its original Mono 2.0 as well as 5.1 DTS, and this edition is Region B locked, but it is also available in the US, so that version is Region A locked. Also, this new artwork by Sarah Deck, I gotta say, as soon as I saw it, I was in love with it. On the inside, we have disc 1, which is the Blu-ray, and disc 2, which is the DVD, and we also have this booklet here, which I'll of course give a quick little flip through. And then, of course, we have the reversible artwork featuring the theatrical poster. And lastly, we have this Elmer pin that was only available directly from Arrow Video's store and Diabolic DVD. And on the back of it, you can see the art design was by Worthy Enemies. And it was printed in this nice mirror finish. And onto the Arrow Video shelf it goes. There you have it, my quick unboxing of Arrow Video's limited edition release of Brain Damage that included this awesome little Elmer pin. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe. And if you love Halloween, horror movies, and monsters, be on the lookout for more videos like this in the future.